What's up, everybody? Hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. Just wanted to let everybody know that I did end up getting all the parts in for the riser install, and I'll be doing that on the 2022 Lowrider S. I'll go over the parts here real quick, let everyone know what parts I'll be using and going with. I am going to put a link in the description down there to the parts that I used with the part numbers and where I ordered them from. So hopefully this helps out you guys out there that have the 2022 Lowrider S non-ABS bike, because the brake line system on it is different. And I ended up working with Magnum shielding over there, and they ended up getting me the right parts. They had to get the parts made in, just because they were on back order. But anyway, enough rambling. Let's go on and we'll talk about what we have. So as everyone can see, I ended up going with Thrashin Risers. These are the 9.5-inch pullbacks. I like these risers. I've seen them in person. I like that they're made in the USA, and they seem to be a real quality built part. I do have the gauge pod up here, so I had to wait on that to get ordered, and it came in, I don't know, beginning mid-November. I've had the parts here at the house for a little bit, but carbon fiber, really nice made, nice finish on it that I can tell so far. I went with the Thrashin Supply Relocation gauge relocation bracket. So this is here, and it'll mount to the top clamp right there and pull it up. And I went with the GOODEN tight polyurethane bushings. So spoke with Magnum shielding, and these are the parts that they recommended for me. So this is the top brake line. As you see, it does come with the crush washers in there, so I have that. This is the lower brake line assembly, and it's got the crush washers in there. This is actually for a Sportster, but what Magnum shielding was telling me was that because of the changes that Harley made, they actually don't have a brake line assembly for the lower, for the Lowrider S non-ABS, but they have been working with different Harley dealerships and all, and this is the part that they found that works. It works really well for them, so that's the one that I'm using. And then I also have Magnum shielding. I ended up ordering the top clutch assembly, so I have that here. I do want to let everyone know that Guerrilla Cables, they hooked me up with the electrical wiring extensions for this, and so they sent this out to me, and that is very highly appreciated. So Guerrilla Cables, shout out to you guys for helping and supplying these to me. Will say though, part of that is they didn't ask me to do any type of reviews, positive or negative, on them, but I am going to be doing a review on them. I am going to tell you guys what I think of them, and also I'll let you know as I install all the risers, the gauge pod, the clutch, the brakes. I'll let everyone know what I think about them. I think that being honest with everyone out there is a big deal, and just want to make sure that you guys are aware before you go spend your hard-earned money on things. But right now, this is what the parts I'll be using, and if y'all would please like, subscribe to the video. I will end up putting a link in the description again for all these parts with all the part numbers, and I also will link the video for the install, and then a review after that. So if y'all would, again, please like, subscribe, and I hope everyone has a blessed day.